Even though some followers thought Casper was dissing the kid, he made it clear that he was trying to share some of the advice that changed his own life. Casper explained that his reply was from a Nas song, and it was that lyric that helped get him to where he is today. The rapper also grabbed the chance to let everyone know that he is living his best life. According to him, it's a life that most of your faves can only dream of because Casper owns his music. That's a quote from a song. Nas said, "Start a company, son, yourself. That's a major key. In Davos, some of you have victim mentality. I'm giving the boy the greatest advice I got. I live a life most artists can only dream of cause I own my own music. Y'all are just ready to be offended." And just as a side note, Casper also felt it necessary to let haters know that his latest album, which received so much hate at first, was now flourishing. "Short and sweet was getting hate before I even dropped just cause it was inspired by Quieto. Now people are coming back to me saying they enjoying the album and they didn't think they would," Casper tweeted.
Yeah.